Okay, students, this is the second compound, very important. KMnO4. This is called potassium permanganate. KMnO4. This is a very important compound. This is also a 3 marks. This compound name is potassium permanganate. Before one compound we are discussed K2Cr2O7. That is also very important. See, K2Cr2O7, KMnO4. This question also 3 marks. This question also 3 marks. Every year, any one question compulsory. So, compulsory everybody practiced this one. Now, I am going to explain the preparation of KMnO4. See, students. This name, pronunciation, potassium permanganate. Okay, this one prepared purpose. We want to ore some sources. The ore name is pyrolusite. Very easy. You have to be follow these techniques. MnO4 is there, no? Okay, except potassium, Mn, here O4 is there, no? O2, right? MnO2. This is called pyrolusite. MnO2. See, MnO4 here, but MnO2. Here O4, but here O2. Still 2 oxygens is required. The 2 oxygens will be right. MnO2, O2. MnO4, no? But here potassium is not there. Potassium is required. That's why I want to be using here basic medium KOH. Okay, now balancing. There are 2 moles, 2 double, 4. Here are 2, 1 reduce, 1. Products are very easy. No need to think products purpose. Here our target KMnO4. Simple. Here 2 potassiums you will write. Same as it is, right? K2MnO4. This name is called as potassium manganate. Potassium manganate. See, KMnO4 you have to be see. Formation of the products. Simple. K2MnO4. Here the difference only 2. Plus, here how many hydrogens? 4 hydrogens. It is converted to water. 2 2s are 4 hydrogens converted to water. Now balancing. 4 potassiums are there, but here 2 potassiums multiplied with 2. Finish. Okay. But our target preparation of this one. Okay, here potassium is not there. Suppose example, this is can I write like that? MnO4 power minus 1. With potassium KMnO4. Without potassium MnO4 power minus 1. Okay, this is step 1. This is the step 2. This compound I will be repeated here. MnO4 power minus 2. You will get confused, right? This is a K2MnO4. But sir, why wrote MnO4 power minus 2? Simple. I am not considered potassium. Here 2 will come power. Compound power minus 2 we have to write. MnO4 power minus 2. I am not writing potassium. Plus, simple. Here KO you have to be close. KO. What you are observing? 4 and H. Means it is acidic medium. 4 moles of H plus gives, simple. This is only will be repeated here. MnO4. Here minus 2 converted to minus 1. See here our preparation. This is only now. KMnO4 also, MnO4 power minus 1 also, both are same only. Simple. MnO4 power minus 2 is converted to MnO4 power minus 1. 2 moles. Plus And here first which compound is formed? MnO2. That is also will be repeated here. MnO2 plus here 4H plus is there, 2H2O. These are the tricks to write the compounds. Okay na? If you write these two steps, 3 marks you will get. Examination point of view. Very very important. Okay, this is the green color solution. This is a purple color solution. Purple color solution. Okay, this name, see the difference. This is called manganate ion. Manganate ion. What is the difference between these two? This is a permanganate ion. See, manganate ion. But here -1 is there, no? This name before we have to be used per. But there is no here -1, here -2 is there. It is only manganate ion. This is only permanganate ion. This is a green color solution. This is a purple color solution. Second preparation of KMnO4, or in this compound K is not there, you have to be write MnO4 power -1. Second preparation not important. Salts, manganese salts means MnCl2 you have to be consider salts. Here chlorine is not there means you have to be consider Mn power +2. Mn power +2 persulfate ion and water. It is converted to MnO4 power -2 compound will be liberated. Persulfate is converted to sulfate. Fixed this and all. Any reaction persulfate converted to sulfate. Okay, Mn+2 is converted to MnO4 power -2. This is a manganate. Manganate ion. Here -2 is there on what? Manganate only. -1 is there on what? Permanganate. Okay, see, MnO4 power -2 I will be right here. In the presence of acidic medium, simple MnO4 commonly will be write -2 is converted to -1. This is only our preparation. After 4 moles of H plus converted to water to H2O and MnO2. This is the second preparation methods of MnO4 power -1 and KMnO4. This is unimportant, just reference purpose only. Structures. MnO4 power -2 is manganate. The charge is -2. See the difference, students. MnO4 power -1. -1 is there on what? Permanganate ion. Structure tetrahedral. Here manganese Mn, 2 oxygens, double bond O, remaining 2 oxygens, single bond O and carry the charges. Here MnO4 power -1, Mn, 3 oxygens maintain the double bonds, 1 oxygen maintain the single bond and carry the negative charge. This is a permanganate ion tetrahedral geometry. This is a dark purple color. This is a green color solution. Colors are very important competitive examination point of view. Okay, students, decomposition of KMnO4. Okay, take 2 moles of KMnO4. Under the presence of heat, KMnO4 is converted to K2MnO4. This is a permanganate, this is a manganate. MnO2 and O2 will be formed. this is a 1 mark question like that. They will be asked. Do hard work, automatically you will be remember this and all. Once again, listen. 2 moles of KMnO4 under the presence of heat, permanganate is converted to permanganate is converted to manganate, MnO2 and O2. And small hint, first important question 3 marks, preparation of KMnO4 quite reversible, this is reversible reaction only, this one. Next, chemical properties, all are the acidic medium only. See, acidic medium, acidic medium, acidic medium, acidic medium and acidic medium. You know acidic medium problems how to solving. Sometimes few, suppose example 10 I minus they will give, Mn plus 2 MnO4 power minus they will give. They are asking to complete the reaction. Very easy. Listen students, in acidic medium before also I said I minus is converted to I2. Fix. I minus is there in acidic medium. Anywhere I minus is converted to I2 in acidic medium means H plus. MnO4 power minus 1 in acidic medium it is converted to Mn power plus 2. In first PUC some reactions is there, you know very well. Okay, see here MnO4 power minus 1, Mn power plus 2 balancing, 2 moles of manganese, here also 2 moles of manganese. I minus is converted to I2. See here I2, but here 10 moles is there. Here also 10 required, 2 is there. Which coefficient is better to multiply? 5. 5 2s are 10. Next, 2 4s are 8. So 8H2O. 8 2s are 16. 16H plus. See students, this is very important. Iodine is liberated from Ki, means don't write potassium, you will write only I minus. Enough. Next, Fe power plus 2 is converted to Fe power plus 3. Fix. Where sir? In acidic medium. In acidic medium, MnO4 power minus 1, what will be happened? Converted to Mn power plus 2. That's all. MnO4 power minus 1, they only give this one. This also they only will give. Fe power plus 2 they will give. Fe power plus 3 they will give. But you have to do complete the reaction. See, MnO4 power minus 1 is converted to Mn power plus 2. Next, Fe power plus 2 is converted to Fe power plus 3. Okay, already you know here plus 7, here plus 2. See students carefully, here plus 2 to plus 5 different, plus 7 plus 2, difference is 5. The 5 you will write this side. I hope everybody understand. See again carefully, Fe power plus 2, here plus 2, here plus 3, the difference is 1. The 1 you will be right here. Finish. There are 5 moles of Fe power plus 2, 5 moles of Fe power plus 3, and MnO4, here 1 manganese, here also 1 manganese. Next, see students, 4 oxygens are there, 4H2O. Here 4 2s are 8, 8H plus. I hope everybody understanding. Next, oxalate ion is converted to oxalic acid. This is oxalate ion. Or oxalic acid is oxidized to CO2. If you are observed C2O4 power minus 2 anywhere in the presence of acidic medium, it is converted to CO2. See here, here charge minus 2, here plus 7, here plus 2, here there difference 5, here there difference 2. Here there difference you will get 2. Okay, here plus 7, here plus 2, difference is 5. The 5 you will be right here. Here carbon to carbon, the difference you will get 2. The 2 you will be right here. 5 2s are 10, 10 moles of CO2. C2O4 power minus 2 is there, you will be right CO2. Next, 2 moles of manganese, 2 moles of manganese. See students, 4 moles of oxygen. Here 4 oxygens are there. 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8 oxygens, 8 H2O, but hydrogens is there. Here hydrogens we want to be fulfilled. 8 twos are 16 H plus. Next, same before the procedure like that only. Sulfide to sulfur, S power minus 2 is converted to sulfur. Fix this one. Okay, see here where difference 2. This is plus 7, this is plus 2. Difference is 5. Do crisscross. Manganese related to 5, you will write this side. Sulfur related difference 2, you will write this side. 5 sulfurs are there. Here also you will write 5 sulfurs. 2 manganeses you will write. 2 fours are 8, 8 H2O. 8 twos are 16, 16 H plus. I hope everybody understanding acidic medium problems. And sulfurous acid or sulfite to sulfate. You know this one. SO3 power minus 2 is converted to SO4 power minus 2. 2 moles of MnO4 power minus 1. 2 moles of Mn power plus 2. And here 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. 8 here 3. 5 threes are 15. 15 plus 8, 23. Okay, you have to do balancing yourself. Okay, now this overall balanced reaction. Next, nitrite is oxidized to nitrate. NO2 power minus 1. Nitrite. In the presence of acidic medium, nitrite is converted to nitrate. MnO4 power minus 1. This is fixed. Mn power plus 2 you will write. Okay, 2 fours are 8 and 5 twos are 10. Overall 18. Overall 18. Here 5 threes are 15. 3 required. 3 moles of H2O. 3 twos are 6. 6 H plus. This is acidic medium problems. Mainly chances is there to asking acidic medium problems in neutral or faintly alkali solution. Oxidation of iodide to iodate. IDE is converted to ATE. See here, is a neutral medium or basic medium. 2 moles of MnO4 power minus 1 treated with water. I minus is converted to IO3 power minus 1. MnO4 power minus 1 is converted to MnO2 because of it is a neutral or alkali medium. See here, it is a neutral or alkali medium. In case acidic medium is different. MnO4 power minus 1 is converted to Mn power plus 2 is fixed. You have to see all reactions Mn power plus 2, Mn power plus 2, Mn power plus 2, Mn power plus 2. This is acidic medium. Basic medium means MnO2 is the result. See MnO4 power minus 1, MnO2. MnO4 power minus 1, MnO2. MnO4 power minus 1, MnO2 because of basic medium or neutral medium. Water is converted to OH minus, so IO3 minus. Thiosulfate, S2O3 power minus 2 is thiosulfate. 8 moles of MnO2 in the neutral. After it is converted to MnO2, thiosulfate is converted to sulfate and basic medium. Do balancing yourself. Very less priority chances is there to asking the examination point of view. Manganese salt is oxidized to MnO2. MnO4 power minus 1 is converted to MnO2. This all together it is formed and water is converted to 4H plus. Next one note point. KMnO4 titration in presence of HCl acid are unsatisfactory since HCl acid oxidized to Cl2. HCl KMnO4 not doing titration because HCl in this Cl minus is converted to Cl2. That time it will be spoil, not obtain the proper reading and all everything. So that's why nobody not using HCl. That's why HCl plus sulfuric acid we are using. This is the finish. 8 minutes వచ్చింది.